Yo. RJD2 on B. Yes, sir. E-Dub, I got you, nigga. Carlos, yo, straight out the motherfucking dungeon of rap. How you come if minus the sperm, the dick, the condom chick with a perm? Who's the #1 Bronx MC? That be me, capital C. Yup, hate to the R-Los. Pronouncing Carlos Ferragamo, the surname. Here, bring it finish. Hip-hop minus the rope chain. You probably never heard of me like I got no name. Train on the tracks, we fire without the propane. Air Force Ones in the feet, color of cocaine. What? DJ, bring it back, sorta like Rogaine. Battle me stupid like PS3 with no game. Whole computers with no monitors. Check the thermometer, spit longer than 4 kilometers. Shine bright like the North Star and Andromeda, for real. Smile on top of the face, no ice grill. Cause I came from the hood and I could go back still. It's a murder right there, man. You used to the name. It's your boy Chrissy.
Hey.
AKA Carlos.
What's up, Carlos?
Ferragamo.
I'm gonna hop on here. What do you think?
Nigga.
What do you think? Baltimore, Bronx? We'll be alright.
Yo.
We'll do okay.
E-Dub.
I got it, I'm on it. No pause, no comma, straight through, no juice, still spit like a llama. Yeah, new week, new treat like a comic. I ain't talking stand up, but I like yo mamas. Promise gets kept, your threats ain't honest. 33 weeks deep, keep dodging them piranhas. Jaw drops like you just saw Rihanna in pajamas, and you got it on tape, so rewind it. Play it again, the good shit raining them in. Carlos and Nida, we playing to win. I'm trying to spread the good seed like I came in the wind. Pollinating till the politics can come to an end. Honestly, this new shit is transcendent. Everyone's a critic nowadays. Go ahead and hit send, bitch. The internet is like a living organism for some haters to create a persona they ain't living yet, and probably never will. I'll probably never spill. My cup is a carafe and my balance be that a Jedi skill. You better bet I'm ill. I hate to brag, but before I go out, I hope I got an Eddie Vedder will. Lots of assets, no liabilities. I'm saddened by the passionless people with no abilities, and I ain't talking about the people with the scrillages equivalent to Terry Jones sermonizing in Tripoli. Bullshitting while I think about victory. Happy to be stubborn, I'm never uttering pretty please. Too many falls in the pocket, no tickling. We sweat to pay dues. Ray Lewis, take a whiff of these. Dirty uniforms, never keep them shits white. Go and fuck yourself if you need your shit wiped. Do for self or go ahead and get your shit swiped. Unconvinced I'm equal, inherit shit but a shit life. Talking down to me is something that you can't do. I'm 7 foot, you're Mikulski in a pantsuit. I see your dandruff and you need a shampoo. Bill, clean your ass, free willy till I shamoo. A sham wow, I took the damn vows. Married to this shit, hip hop is my spouse. No movie, my mind has no doubt, but I'm living in the parable, now you go proud. Yeah, Freestyle Friday number 33.
Haben wir noch Zickzack, woher? Oh Junge, wirklich?
I traveled 500 acres, I drove 1,000 kilometers. I'm really not sure what day it is, I couldn't tell you what time it is. The sun looks so beautiful though, I wonder if it is setting or rising. The purples and blues look just like bruises above the horizon. I'm trying to find out your formula, you bring the finest euphoria. Where did you go? I need more of you. Where did you go? I need more of your eye. Can I keep my eyes open wide? Slept one day, been awake for 5. Hands on a wheel with crazy eyes. I know I look crazy, right? Cause I still believe you out there fighting for me. Isn't it true? Isn't it true? Or have I been deceived? I still believe, yeah, I still believe you out there fighting for me. Isn't it true? Isn't it true? Or have I been deceived? I still believe I could've flown to you easily, but I had to change up the scenery. These lonely drives are serene to me, plus it gives me time to talk me to me. Quick as a meteorite, you can push me to your right. When I ask about it, you remain silent, like someone is reading your rights. I understand, you overstressed, we'll talk tomorrow, you won't forget. I hate when we argue, you go for next. I hate when we argue, you go for next. But it's all good, you probably just need a bit more time. I trust you and ignore the signs. I'm yours, I wonder if you're mine. I'm yours, I wonder if you're
Let me escape in your arms. Baby, I'm yours. Baby, I'm yours. the stars, chasing the stars. Wings spread to the sun. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Tell me, is this freedom, baby? Chasing after danger, making my heart break. Whoa, maybe if the stars align, maybe if our worlds collide, maybe on the dark side we could be together, be together. Maybe in a million miles on a highway through the skies, someday, somewhere be together. Maybe if the stars align, maybe if our worlds collide, maybe on the dark side we could be together, be together. Maybe in a million miles on a highway through the skies, someday, somewhere be together.
Bruder! Bruder, ich kiff zu viel!